Hey guys, Colleen here, DIYer behind LemonThistle.com, and today I am so excited to share this DIY giant candies backdrop with you. This DIY is made from designs from our new Fresh Cut Bundles. It is a candy shop theme, and you guys, they are so stinking cute. So the designs that I contributed to this bundle are these brushstroke candies that I made, and I cut them out real big on my Cricut and put them up on the wall with the help of my daughter. They make such a fun party backdrop. I'm really in love with how these came together. So I'm going to walk you through the whole process of how to make these and how to make the backdrop. But if you have not yet subscribed, please make sure to do that below so you don't miss out on any more DIY or home decor videos. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing you'll need to do is get the bundle. The bundle is on the early bird special right now for the next 48 hours. It's a screaming deal, you guys. And I'll link the website down below where you can get this bundle if you like. And then once you've downloaded it, these are the brushstroke candy designs, and I just uploaded that to my Cricut design space. And when you're uploading an SVG file, these ones specifically have two layers. They have the background layer and then they have the brushstroke layer. And so you can turn one off if you only want to cut one or the other, but I cut both out of different colors paper. Alright, so once you've uploaded those to your Cricut design space, you can go ahead and cut them out. I used Cricut cardstock in a 12 by 24 format. I will link the exact colors that I used here. It was like a sampler pack, and I really love how the candies play with these colors. One of the tips that I did want to point out when you're working with cardstock is that when you're pulling it off the mat, it has a tendency to bend. So my favorite way to pull it off the mat is actually to put it face down on the table. So put the cardstock down on the table and bend back the mat, leaving the cardstock flat on the table. So I just kind of place my hand on the cardstock and roll the mat back, and that leaves the candies flat and the mat is the one that bends. So I cut these out of the cardstock, glued them together using a glue stick, and then we just used painter's tape to put them up on the wall. After my daughter helped me put them all up on the wall, I did move them around a little bit to get a more even, kind of random placement of the different colors and the shapes of candies. And that is it, you guys. This is such a simple DIY. I am so happy with how it turned out, and I can't wait to have a little theme party that we can use this baby. In the meantime, my daughter thinks that it's the best photo backdrop ever, so that's really fun. These little candies would also be so cute to make into like cupcake toppers or anything like that, and I also would love to see them used to make a beautiful invitation suite. I just feel like they're so cute. You could use them anyway. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more DIY or home decor videos. I also have a whole playlist of all of my Cricut DIYs, so I'll put that in the links below too. Okay, we'll see you guys next time. Bye!